just
Look
went
at this
over a vintage railway line with a very, very old train from the British era that goes to Beaufort, from Tenom to Beaufort. Jalan-jalan, Jalan-jalan, Malaysia.
I love Tenom. I think in Chinese, "Wo ai ni Tenom."
Very nice. And these, look at all these, darling. Much bigger.
I think it's a pinang.
They look like acorns, the way they're developed. And then here, coffee.
Not coffee. I didn't know.
Fruit, darling.
I don't have a clue what kind of fruit is this.
Oh, very interesting.
Even me, I didn't know. It looks like avocado, not avocado.
The nest inside, darling.
What kind of fruit is this? Oh, you found nest, are you?
Yeah, there's a nest inside.
Oh, look at this. They have a nest. They have a nest, but
See the names of the places you can stay here, like macchiato, cappuccino.
they have a chalet. Wow, look at this plan. Okay, let's go to the factory, Kilang Kopi Yit Foh. Ooh, I fancy durian. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna have them later. Ooh, look at that.
Welcome to Yit Foh Coffee House community. All the personal coffee making is in here.
Wow, very beautiful this one. Tarik di sisi fabric, ditarik.
I know. I like to make coffee like that, actually.
Tarik. This is how they make coffee all days.
Oh, it's still Sabah.
Sabah thing.
Okay, how do you work this thing? Oh, press down. Oh. boiling up. Very hot.
Ooh.
Here we are tasting some coffee now. This is kopi putih.
White coffee.
White coffee in English. These beans end up in those packets. This is an interesting map of Sabah, showing all around the islands down there. Look. Sabah, Sandakan. That's where the orangutan sanctuary is near there, and a big cave. We've been there, very nice. And the monkeys are up in Labuk Bay, or in Hot Springs, where we made a video before. Lamp below, where we made a video before and had our big accident. Obviously, there's KK, Papa, where we've been and have friends. Tambunan, where these big red flowers are the Reflexia, a very famous national flower. And the rapids. Very famous town of Keningaro. And where we are now, in the Yit Foh coffee factory Tenom. This is the colour of the beans on the plant. I was walking through the other day and they were falling off the trees. Ting, ting, tang, ting, falling down all over the place. Wild pigs love them. Civets love them. And then we love them too. And a little shop. Of course, pepper is grown here, locally, and further down in Sarawak. Coffee siphons. Mills. Pre-packed coffee. Even durian coffee. What goes with coffee? Biscuits. Big packs of coffee.
Ini 450.
Tea, my favourite, Sabah tea. With various awards.